how do you install and add an MCP server in Codex? So first, make sure that you have the Codex CLI installed. And once you're done, you want to basically open up the Codex app or the CLI or command line tool. You can go to File Settings in the app and then go to MCP Servers and then click on Add Server and choose between the studio type and the streamable HTTP. You can give it a name and fill out the info such as the URL and the token and headers and environment variables and all of that stuff. And then you can basically press the Save button here to add it to the MCP servers list. You can also use the terminal or the PowerShell in your project directory. You can also do it from the app here by clicking on Toggle Terminal. And you want to run the following commands. So to add a server, you want to run basically codex or codex space MCP add server name space dash dash URL and the MCP server URL. And once you're done, you can run this command to add the MCP server to the list. So for example, here I'm going to add the OpenAI developer docs MCP server. If you run enter, it will add this as a global MCP server. And if your server requires authentication such as OAuth, you might need to run codex space MCP space login and then space and provide the server name, for example, OpenAI developer docs. You will type the server name here and press enter. And this will check and try to authenticate the server, but this one doesn't support authentication or it doesn't require authentication. And you can check if your server is added by running codex MCP list. And this should basically provide the list of all the MCP servers you have added. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.